Hello, yeah, I'm Dr. Cool, and today we got a Mercedes. A lot of you will never know this secret. It took me a lot of time to figure this shit out. Secret of Mercedes AC. I want to go ahead and demonstrate it. Finish working on this very car. There is expectation of the cooling, which I'm expecting, and I put it on speed 3. I know the amount of air that should be coming out of here and cold. Everything seemed to be quite okay, but amount of air that is coming out of here is just not enough. Gotta take it to 4 bar and sometimes 5 bar for me to start feeling the impact. So what is wrong? That is just 2 bar short to become the maximum speed of the fan. What went wrong? I've been combing different places, but I couldn't get the answer, so I had to dig up myself. So the problem is not coming from here. You might even put the recirculation button on, but still the same problems happens. Now, okay, at this very point here, I want to check the polling filter and see if we are on the same page. You feel me? And that is where things got dark, right? That is where things got dark, because the polling filter told me she's fine. Probably give me a random answer it gives to literally everyone out there, you DIYers. But today, let me take you down there. Let's go to the polling filter, because that's the guy I'm suspecting, the bad guy messing things up. You come over here, there is a lot of sweating on this very pipe here, but it's not transferring it right there into the cabin. So what the hell is going on? So you come over here and pop this guy out. Remove this guy out of the way. Now, bang, bang, bang. You get this one out of the way. We found it. And unbelievable, the filter is very clean. So what the hell is going on? We look everywhere. There is no further air filter down there. This is the only filter I have. But I'm still having a gut feeling that the system is supposed to be performing more than what it is. I'm not supposed to be tuning it a whole lot of 5 bars to get a quality air out of the cabin. What the hell is going on? ChatGPT cannot answer this question, because you've got to know exactly what you're asking for before. Most often times it can give you a lot of random answers that doesn't really make sense. You ask Grok literally the same. And that's exactly how I feel. Exhausted and running out of option. What is going on? My customer is screaming. It's cooling, but it's not chilling. And I started thinking, not just outside the box, I'm thinking outside the country, outside the continent. And then you called to me, guy, got off this guy, and lo and behold, let's go and take an adventure. After offing the recirculation button, and here it's still the same. And I start being very suspicious. Mercedes, don't mess around with me. So I gotta go ahead, bam. Let's go ahead again and look at it. It's very fascinating how technology is, and it's still the same. Wait a minute. You are messing with me, Mercedes, aren't you? Now I want to go ahead and shut this guy down. I'm sick of playing games, right? Now what you're gonna find right here is gonna blow your mind, because you will never see it coming. Now, bam. So you have been here the whole time, brother. I've been looking for you, combing everywhere. But I never knew that you actually got a twin. Come on, get your ass out of that place before I kick you. Right now. Get your ass out. Just look at it. Two of them. None of them could actually even tell me that they are here. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it, guys. Look at Mercedes. Oh my goodness. Just look at it right there. It is so unbelievable. How the hell? And from this very moment right now, I could know that my gut feelings are not lying to me. There is no way I could just set up the entire system and I have to tune all the way to near to complete fan before I can start feeling a significant amount of air coming out of the cabin. Now, a lot of you guys are going to be thinking I'm going crazy or I'm making shit up, but no. I am not making shit up. I'm not here to play around with you. If we look at this Pauling air filter, the guy who replaced this is a Chinese version, right? This is a typical Chinese version. How do you know that? Because this is not charcoal activated. Charcoal activated is what comes with most Mercedes AC systems. This Chinese knockoff, just like every other regular guy, thought that this is all the Pauling air filter in this very cabin here. But now when you look at this is a purely charcoal activated Pauling filter that came with it from the dealership or from the manufacturer. And as a matter of fact, they have not replaced this ever since this car was built. Can you imagine that? So don't try to blow it. You're going to be wasting your time because there are more charcoal there than there is in California to heat up houses and homes. Look at it. So after removing this, guess what happened? Just on speed 3, I am feeling cold inside already. So most oftentimes logic works, but your gut feelings, you gotta trust that shit, man. You gotta trust that gut feeling because it most oftentimes, even when you have completed everything, it tells you something is not right. Something is not right. You gotta trust me, man. Something is not right. And you gotta figure it out because that is the master of all masters, tools of all tools. With your degree, with your GPAs, you can get this shit up. You must figure it out and you gotta be one with your gut feeling to get it done. So guys, I don't need to tell you to subscribe to my channel. No, that would be a taboo now. Come on, that one not taboo now. I'm not gonna tell you make you subscribe to my channel. If you want to subscribe, fine, but make sure you are a loyal subscriber, not just subscriber fillers who are just making up my numbers, because those things is giving me a lot of headache these days. So right now on speed 3, the AC is blasting as it's supposed to. I don't need to have it all the way even. Having it right on speed 5, like I have previously, I could hear the sound of the fan, right? Oh my goodness, I wish you guys are inside this car right now and see how cold it is on speed 5. So I gotta take it back to 4 and even back to 3. That is where I'm expecting it to be. So guys, I'll catch you guys later. I remain Dr. Cool. Sometimes you don't have to think outside the box, you just have to build one box for yourself.